If you're still manually chopping up transcriptions frame by frame to get those snappy social media captions, stop. You're wasting your time. Because in the June 2026 release of Premiere, you can generate single-word captions automatically in just a couple of clicks. Here's how. Drag your video into the timeline or into the new item icon to create a sequence, then open the text panel by going to Window, Text. And by the way, here's the video we're gonna caption. This is how you can create single-word captions for your videos in Adobe Premiere. In the text panel, open the Transcript tab and then click Transcribe. Premiere will analyze your voice and generate a transcript in just a few seconds. I see there's a millennial pause in the beginning, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Now, once you have the auto-generated transcript, please spend some time reviewing it and fixing the mistakes. Yes, you actually have to read it. I know. Doing things manually is terrifying, but hang in there. And by the way, this is how you can correct the text. Right-click on it and choose Correct Text, or just press Enter. Fix the mistakes, and that's it. Next, still in the text panel, switch to the Captions tab and click Create Captions from Transcript, which will open this dialog box. Now click here to expand captioning preferences, and under Layout, choose Single Word, and then click Create Captions. And look at that. Premiere automatically sliced your entire speech into individual words, perfectly synced to your voice. Great. Now you might want to style this caption. Change the font, colors, effects, make it pop. To do that, place the playhead on a caption to see it, and then double-click on that caption to open the Properties panel. Choose your font, adjust the size and position, change the fill color, add a stroke, a background, a shadow, whatever. When you're done, scroll up to where it says Track Style, click on the plus icon, and choose Create Style. Give it a name, click Save to Project, click OK, and done. Every single word on the track is styled instantly. And here's the final video. This is how you can create single-word captions for your videos in Adobe Premiere. That's it. Fast, dynamic single-word captions built directly into Premiere. Subscribe to 2-minute... Wait, I said subscribe. Subscribe